The universe is far more mysterious than it appears. Invisible forces connect particles across space. Violent cosmic explosions create the elements around us, and scientists are already imagining how humans might survive journeys across the stars, from quantum physics to interstellar travel, and the cosmic origins of gold. This is the story of how the universe shapes everything we know. At the smallest level of reality, the universe behaves in ways that seem impossible. One of the strangest discoveries in modern physics is called quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, their properties become linked. If something changes one particle, the other instantly responds even if they are separated by enormous distances. This puzzled scientists for decades. Even Albert Einstein famously called it spooky action at a distance. But experiments have repeatedly confirmed that entangled particles truly behave as if they are part of the same system. Today, researchers are exploring how entanglement could power future technologies like quantum computers and ultra-secure communication networks. Some scientists are even investigating whether quantum effects may play subtle roles inside biological systems. Humanity has always dreamed of traveling beyond our solar system, but reaching even the nearest stars could take decades or centuries with current technology. So how could humans survive such long voyages? Scientists and engineers are exploring the idea of interstellar life support habitats, essentially rest stops in deep space. These futuristic structures would act like self-sustaining ecosystems. Air would be recycled. Water would be purified and reused. Plants could produce oxygen and food while absorbing carbon dioxide. Some designs even propose spinning habitats that generate artificial gravity, protecting astronauts from the long-term health effects of weightlessness. Advanced AI systems could monitor and repair the habitat during decades-long journeys. These interstellar rest stops might one day allow humans to travel safely across vast cosmic distances. Because if humanity hopes to explore the galaxy, we will need homes among the stars. Gold has fascinated humanity for thousands of years, but its origin lies far beyond Earth. For decades, scientists wondered how heavy elements like gold were created. The answer came from one of the most violent events in the universe. When two neutron star objects collide, the explosion releases unimaginable energy. During these collisions, extreme conditions allow atoms to rapidly capture neutrons in a process known as A-process nucleosynthesis. In just seconds, enormous amounts of heavy elements are formed, including gold, platinum, and uranium. These elements are then scattered across space. Over billions of years, they become part of new stars, planets, and eventually worlds like Earth, which means every piece of gold on our planet was forged in a cosmic collision billions of years ago. Your jewelry is not just a precious metal, it is ancient stardust. From particles connected across the universe, to future habitats among the stars, to the cosmic explosions that created the gold we wear. The universe is not just something we observe, it is something we are part of, and the deeper we explore it, the more extraordinary our story becomes. Please like, share, and subscribe.